How to create a Kakaotalk account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can create a Kakaotalk account. Well, first things first, you can get the application, the Kakaotalk Messenger, from your Play Store or App Store respectively. Then you can open it up. Once you open up on the login page, you should get the option to register as well. So you can see first you'll have to accept the terms and conditions, allow it, and then you can see you'll get the option to log in or sign up. Simply all you have to do is enter in an email or phone number that you want to register to Kakaotalk with, then create a password, enter in password and tap on sign up. Once you do so, it'll take you through certain prompts to fill in other details. You'll have to fill in all those necessary details and then you are good to go. So this is how you can create a Kakaotalk account easily. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.